Today we are making some super cute brownie heart pops, and I'm just making them out of a Duncan Hines dark chocolate brownie mix because it really is delicious and it bakes up so perfectly. Welcome back to Shalee's Baked Cakes. I have these heart silicone pans. We're gonna put a scoop of brownie mix into each one of these, and then we are going to bake our brownies at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once they're baked, let them cool, and then you can start melting your chocolate melts. I melted pink chocolate melts and red chocolate melts. Then I put them in a piping bag and we just pipe them over the brownies. We don't take the brownies out of the mold yet, we're just gonna pipe the chocolate right over the top. Then we're gonna add a couple of sprinkles, of course. We're gonna put it in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes until they are nice and frozen. Once they're frozen, we're gonna pull them out of the freezer and you can see they're gonna pop out of our mold perfectly. Found these heart straws and I decided we're gonna make heart pops. We just insert the straw right into the brownie. And then we have brownie heart pops. Perfect for your Valentine's Day treats. So easy, so much fun. I'll link where I got the silicone pans and the chocolate melts in the description. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalee's Baked Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and stay tuned for more fun.